dear students. In previous video of General Knowledge Class 6, we had discussed about our India. That is newspaper in India, Indian Prime Ministers in chronological order, seven sister states of India that are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. We had also discussed about railways, union territories and marvelous temples that are present in India. Now, in today's session, we will get knowledge about sports world. So, in this unit, we will discuss sports terminology, tennis grand slams, sports venues, Asian Games, and sports movies. So, let's start with first, that is sports terminology. As you already know, sports play a great role in our life as it keeps us healthy, wealthy, and active. We can have a healthy mind only when we have a healthy body. So great achievements come our way when we maintain our physical and mental well-being. There are different sports played around the world with each having its own set of terms. And these terms have different meanings and are used while playing the sports. So here some terms are given. You have to identify the sports to which these terms are associated. So in first the terms are given round, bot, jab, punch, knockout and knockdown. So these are the terms associated with boxing. Second is bully, defender, center pass, dribble, stick, flick. These all terms associated with hockey. Next one is leg before wicket, maiden over, hat trick, mid off, bouncer, stump and drive. Obviously these are associated with cricket. Next is tee, course, links, caddy, ace, birdie, club and putt. So these are the terms associated with golf. E is checkmate, stalemate, move, gambit. These four terms associated with chess. Next are free kick, corner kick, penalty kick, forward midfielder and goalkeeper. So these terms are associated with football. Next is block, doubling, smash, spike, dig. These terms associated with volleyball. And last is ace, drop, deuce, smash, love, break and volley. These are the terms used while playing tennis. So these terms are associated with tennis. Okay, clear? Now moving towards next. Second chapter is about tennis grand slams. In tennis, the term Grand Slams refers to the accomplishment of winning all four major championships. The Championship of Australia, France, Britain, that is Wimbledon and United States in the same calendar season. So here some questions are given related to tennis Grand Slams. You have to find the correct answer with the help of help box given in your book. So first question is, what is the name of the world's largest tennis stadium where the US Open is played? And the answer is Arthur Ashe. ARTHURASHE. Second question is, which Grand Slams tournament is played on grass? And the answer is Wimbledon. WIMBLEDON. Third question, which city hosts the Australian Open? Answer is Melbourne. MELBOURNE. Fourth question, which color of clothing should all players of Wimbledon wear? And the answer is white color. Fifth question, which male tennis player holds the record for winning the maximum number of Grand Slams titles? Answer is Roger Federer. ROGER Federer. Sixth question. Who became the world's youngest player to win the Grand Slam title at the age of 16? And the answer is Martina Hingis. Seventh question. Who was the first Indian to win the Grand Slam doubles tournament with Rika Hiraki? And the answer is Mahesh Bhupati. Eighth question. Which Indian female tennis player has won 6 Grand Slams title until 2018? That Indian female tennis player who won the 6th Grand Slam title. The answer is Sania Mirza. Ninth question. Which female tennis player set the record of playing the maximum number of Wimbledon matches until she retired? And the player is Martina Navratilova. Navratilova. 10th question. Which Grand Slam champion is known as the King of Clay? Answer Rafael Nadal. 11th question. Who is the only player to have won the Golden Slam, means all the 4 Grand Slams and the Olympics in 1 year? And the answer is Steffi Graf. Okay, so these are about the tennis Grand Slams. Now next move on to sports venues. See, different sports cannot be played at the same time. Hence, different venues are built to meet the requirement of each sports. Here you have to match the sports with the places where they are played. First one is archery. The venue for archery is range. Option 8th. Venue for archery is range. Second is baseball, and the venue for baseball is diamond. Third is athletics, and the venue is track. Cycling, the venue is velodrome. Fifth is boxing, venue is ring. Sixth, badminton, and is played under court. Next, cricket, the venue for cricket is field or pitch. H is figure skating, this is played on ice rink. Next is motor racing, the venue for motor racing is known as circuit. Next is judo, and the venue for judo is dojo. Okay, and the world highest tennis court is atop of Burj Al Arab in Dubai, which is one of the highest hotel in the world. And unlike the other tennis court, this court is in circular shape. Okay, so these are about the sports venues. Next is about Asian Games. The Asian Games are continental multi-sport event for Asian countries that is held once in every 4 years. So here some questions are given related to Asian Games. You have to take the correct option from this. First question is, when and where was the first Asian Games held? And the answer is 1951, New Delhi. Second option, 1951, New Delhi. Second question, which city has hosted the Asian Games for the maximum number of times? And that city is Bangkok. Third question, who was quoted saying, play the game in the spirit of the game? And that is quoted by Jawaharlal Nehru. Fourth question, which country will host the 2022 Asian Games? And answer is China. China will host this. Fifth question, what is the emblem of Asian Games? So the emblem of Asian Games is a bright red sun. Sixth question, how many countries participated in the first Asian Games? That is 11 countries. Seventh, In which Asian Games event did both Indian men's and women's team first win the gold? And the answer, Kabaddi. In Kabaddi, they win gold for both Indian men and women's team. Eighth question, along with which player did Sania Mirza win the tennis mixed double at the 2014 Asian Games? That player is Saket Myani. Ninth question, who hosted the 18th Asian Game? That is Indonesia will host. Next, which Indian won gold in heptathlon in the 2018 Asian Games? And the answer is Swapna Barman. Swapna Barman is the Indian who won the gold in the 2018 Asian Games that Indonesia was hosting. Now next is about sports movies. You might have seen the movies that are based on sports person or incident and players. They are either real or fictional sports incidents. And why they are made? They inspire people and teach values like hard work, team spirit and sportsmanship and overcoming adversity. So here some description are given. You have to read this description and complete the name of the national and international sports movies. Firstly, we will do national movies. This you have to complete, and the description is: this epic movie set in the small village of Champaner depicts the story of a group of villagers who learn to play cricket to fight against the atrocious behavior of Britishers and get rid of the tax levied upon by them. You might have seen this movie. Answer is Lagan. Second description. This movie is based on the story of two sisters, Geeta Fogart and Babita Fogart, and their father and coach Mahavir Singh Fogart, who trains them to become world-class wrestler. That movie is Dangal. Third, this movie is a biopic of an Olympics boxing champion who faced a number of hardships to become a boxer and win the silver medal at the 2008 World Boxing Championship. That movie is Mary Kom and that boxer is also Mary Kom. This movie is based on sports incident of Mary Kom. Now fourth, this is a biographical movie based on an Indian athlete and Olympian who was also known as the Flying Sikh. That athlete is that movie is Bhag Mikha Bhag based on Mikha Singh. Fifth, this movie is about the Indian women's hockey team that wins the World Cup against all odds under the guidance of the coach. That movie is Chak De India. It is a fictional sports incidents movie. Okay, so these are the national movies. Now some international movies. This is a documentary on the life of an Olympic sprinter who is considered the fastest man on the earth. Movie name is I Am Bold. Seventh, this movie is based on the true story of an American sports agent who gets the idea of finding Indian cricket players and training them to be pro baseball player in America. That movie name is $1 Million Arm. Eighth, this movie is based on two athletes who compete in 1924 Olympics. It has won 4 Academy Awards, including the Best Picture Award in 1982. And that movie is Chariots of Fire. Ninth, this movie is about a homeless boy who becomes an All-American football player and first round NFL draft pick with the help of a caring woman and her family. That movie is The Blind Side. And 10th, this movie is about a small time boxer who gets a rare chance to fight the reigning heavyweight champion in a boxing duel. That movie is Rocky. Okay. One more movie, Gold, starrer Akshay Kumar, depicts how the Indian movie team won its first Olympic medal for India in 1948 after independence. Okay. So that's